guys, today we will be making origami bookmarks. Here's an example. I have two books that have bookmarks in them that we made. Here is one. And here's another one. So let's see what you need to make them. So you need noses, ears, and the inside of the ears, and a unicorn horn just in case, and eyes, googly eyes, marker, glue, and a small piece of paper. There's also this one. So, let's get started. First, you're going to turn the paper over and then do this with it. So it kind of looks like a triangle. And then you're going to fold it like this and then press. Unfold it. Now turn it around and then you're going to, like, on the white piece, like the white side, you're going to fold it like this, and then fold it like this. Now to make it, we're going to do this with it. This part's really easy. You just have to do this, and then bring the other flap and tuck it in. Now we have our DIY bookmark, but we're not finished yet. We have to do some designs on it first. So I'm going to choose a choice of eyes first. Pink, yellow, green, or blue. I choose pink, of course. I love pink. And then now the ears. I already have ears up here that's already pre-made. Which ears should I choose? How about these ones? Or maybe these ones. I like these. And then we can pick our unicorn horn. And to make these, you just have to use your glue to put the pink triangles into the black triangles. Here's what we are going to make, kinda. So get your glue and be ready. So take the googly eye, turn it over, and you are only going to add just a dab. Like that. Don't forget to let it dry before you put it in your book. Now glue it again. Just a dab. And then put the other eye on. Now we have two eyes. But we're still not finished yet, because we also have to add a nose, but I'm going to put the nose on with the marker later. Now we're going to glue on the ears, like this. So take your first ear, glue it on the back. Just a dab. And then make it pop out. There. Do the same thing with the other ear, just on the opposite side. like that. It might be a little too much glue. Let's try it. Exactly like this. Let it dry. And don't forget to press it firmly. And then you're going to get your horn, unicorn horn, if you decided to make one. By the way, it's made out of foam. And then just glue it on the bottom. And then put it right here for the finishing touch. But we're still not finished. Oops, it's not even sticking. It might take a while to dry. So make sure it goes on there. Next, you're going to take your thin marker and be careful. First, draw nose like this, or you can take this nose here. But I'm doing unicorn. You can either draw it like that, or you can put on nose. It looked like a funny unicorn. And then you just add a smile. Like this. Now it's done. But I'm going to write something right here. Let's write unicorn. The heart. Now we are finished. And don't forget to test it out. Make sure that it's dry. So, let's see how it comparing to this one. I think it will work. So here is how you put it on. You either put it like this, or you can put it like this. Either way. So, I hope you guys loved this video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment hashtag puppy up on the screen whenever you are done. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, like, and comment down below. Be sure to like and subscribe, and also share this video with a friend. Bye!